Well, another wet weekend in store for at least parts of the Northeast. It's not going to be a washout everywhere. Even New York City, steadiest rain may be on Friday, but there's going to be at least some rain on Saturday. And with that, the seventh consecutive weekend where we've had at least some rain. I mean, this streak started way back in September, opening season of the NFL, by the way, and then it's continued almost every weekend. And most weekends it's been a soaking rain. 16th and 17th, there wasn't a whole lot. The September 30th, October 1st, there wasn't a whole lot. We may not get a whole lot in New York City on Saturday, but there's at least going to be some rain. And take a look at the exclusive AccuWeather forecast for New York City. Again, Saturday may be more showers, soaking rain Friday night. This will cause some major travel delays, especially for your evening rush, no doubt about that. We'll start to dry things out on Sunday, but I want to caution you here, you're going to have some strong winds out of the west-northwest on Sunday. Sunday is not going to be a nice day, limited sunshine. You can even see a spotty shower or two as well. So another kind of cloudy and wet weekend. All right, here's where we're going with this. We start with this upper level low. You can see it north of Minneapolis, but note what is also going on, which is just as important here. Notice all of this energy back across the northwest coming in to northwestern Canada or western Canada here. That's additional energy that's going to be feeding into this upper low. Let me show you it's going to work here. I want to show you our upper level chart here. So here's our upper low. Right in here, it is across just south of Chicago. Now, at the same time, what do you have going on? You've got all of this energy coming in from the Pacific. See, right in here. Now, what will happen is this energy is going to drop south, and this is what's going to carve that dip in the jet stream as we head into Friday. Watch how it all unfolds here as we move forward here. Now, we're going to take you into Friday. See, all this energy drops south, and then it just pulls the jet stream all the way down into North Florida. So that's a pronounced dip in the jet stream, no doubt about it. Now, whenever you get a dip like this, and you see this a lot during the winter times, what do you have to watch out for? Coastal storms. Why? Because you bring down the cooler air across the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast, and then what also happens is you've got a lot of warm water here, so you get this boundary that sets up, and boundaries are locations where storms can form. Now, there's also going to be at least some precipitation with this on Friday from the Midwest toward the Southeast. I think it's generally spotty. It's not going to be all that heavy. The heavier precipitation will be with our storm that forms off the North Carolina coast Friday afternoon. Then it moves to the Northeast. Here it is by Saturday morning, well off the Mid-Atlantic coast. That's why I don't think a lot of precipitation is going to be falling with this system in the Mid-Atlantic. You're going to get your precipitation from the cold front coming in from the west, right? But then our storm starts to strengthen here Saturday and the Sunday. Now, depending on how this all forms, it certainly looks to me like it's going to be New England that will get the lion's share of the rain with this storm. New York City, your rain's coming, as I mentioned, but I think Saturday and the Sunday, it's going to be New England, and the rain could even linger in the northern New England on Sunday. And this is an area I'd worry about flooding, as we could be getting a few inches of rain with this. The other story is the wind. The winds are really going to start to pick up Saturday and in the Sunday. All of the Northeast will have the winds as we move into Sunday. From New York City on south, you may dry things out a little bit on Sunday, but those winds will be prevalent. So again, we'll continue to watch this coastal storm as it develops. If it really comes into tact, the other thing that we may get is some coastal flooding out ahead of this storm on Saturday. That we will see if that occurs.